Hey creator, it's your team NOVL, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today you'll learn how to turn a Shopify product into an affiliate product. Why an affiliate product and not a link to a third-party site? They're higher converting, helping you turn your viewers into customers. You can add images, variants, and a description just like any product, and include it in curated collections or feature on your homepage. You'll also have a shareable link for social and email that directs your audience to your website first. All right, let's get started and head to products and then click add product. While there are apps that let you import your Amazon products into Shopify, what about all the other places you're an affiliate, like Commission Junction, LTK, Walmart, Target, and more? With Zora, you can turn any product into an affiliate product using Z-codes. Don't know what Z-codes are? They allow you to embed rich content into your editor, ensuring SEO and web standards. We'll use the free Metcon 6 sneaker by Nike and give the product the title Nike Free Metcon 6. Now let's add an affiliate Z-code in the content editor. Start by including an open bracket followed by the word affiliate. Then add a space, the word link, and an equal sign. Let's copy the Nike Free Metcon 6 link from the address bar and then paste it after the equal sign. In real life, you'll use your dedicated affiliate link. Then add another space, the word name, and another equal sign. Include the brand name, in this case Nike, and replace any spaces with dashes. Close the bracket, and that's it. Now let's add some images from the Nike Free Metcon 6 landing page. Right-click the featured image, copy the image address, then go to Media and select Existing and the Add from URL button. Paste the link we copied, and that's it. Let's also add a description using AI. Go ahead and click the Shopify Magic button and enter the words Workout Sneaker, CrossFit, Sustainable in the Features and Keywords area. Click Generate, and if it looks good, keep it. Lastly, let's add a price, the same one from Nike's website, $120. Look at that, your affiliate product is starting to take form. Now let's save and view it on your website. Notice how the Buy Now and Add to Cart have been replaced with your Buy on Nike affiliate button? You've now just turned your ordinary product page into an affiliate product that you can share anywhere. By using a Shopify product to manage your affiliate products, you can tap into deeper insight from which items are top performing to where your audience is located using Shopify Analytics. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be novel.